All right, everybody, I figured I'd do a quick little walk around of this 2020 Ram 1500 4x4. This is a Laramie. This is in the olive green pearl coat. You can see that the front grille has been paint matched, a lot of black going on, ABS bug shield. The big part of this is we have the Motofab 3-inch, 2-inch leveling kit on it, 3 inches in the front, 2 inches in the rear. We also have a set of aftermarket upper control arms. You can kind of see those tucked up way in there. This is on a factory 22 by 9-inch wheel with a 1-inch spacer. And we are running Nitto Recon Grapplers 305/55 22s. Just over 35 inches tall, just under 12.5 inches wide. Truck's got the TRX side skid plate steps. Pretty thin if you're putting your foot up there, but it looks great. Again, 2 inches in the rear. Same wheel and tire setup, 1-inch spacer, 22 by 9 with a 305/55 Recon Grappler. We've got these same tires, different size on our Gladiator and on a Jeep Grand Cherokee. In my opinion, the quietest, best all-terrain hybrid tire there is. Truck's got window tint all the way around. I'm not sure the sides. I think it's 20% up front. Auto vent shades visors. Got the 50% window tint on the windshield. Not that you can really tell with the reflection going on. Everything is either paint matched on this truck or blacked out. Paint match bumpers, of course, with the Laramie. All the badging on the truck blacked out. You can see if we look down the side, very little poke on that wheel and tire setup, maybe an inch to the sidewall, if that. But overall, just a really clean look. Same thing on this side, barely any poking out over the fender flares. Just a great look, great color combination, olive pearl with the black. A little bit of scrubbing in the front, so we had to do just the slightest bit of trimming on the back. Kind of knocked in that pinch weld about a 1/2 inch. And on the front, you can barely see it, but all we did was zip tie the fender well liner up a little bit. It clears lock to lock. It will scrub just slightly if you're going up and down at an angle in a driveway or something like that, but it's barely noticeable. That's it. Thanks.